Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today I have my cafecito ready, I have some water, and I have some makeup. I recently ordered some things off of Sephora and Ulta, and also some makeup that I've either gotten in PR or that I've purchased from like Walmart, Target. So I figured I would just sit here on this beautiful, lovely Sunday day and share everything with you guys. So with that said, if you're interested in seeing what is new in makeup, what I got, what I ordered, what I bought, all of that stuff, grab your cafecito. Look at how cute this bluey mug is. Also, I'm wearing bluey pajamas. Can y'all see that? Ah! Because Lincoln is obsessed with, okay, not obsessed, but he loves bluey. Anyways, grab your cafecito. Cheers if you're drinking yours, and let's jump right into today's video. Okay, so I'm going to show you kind of what I've gotten in the past like week, más o menos. I am going to open this PR package really quickly because I just checked my mail earlier today and I noticed that I had a new PR from EXO Cosmetics, which is the brand from Yvette XO. She is an influencer here on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, all of the above. She recently came out with new blushes and I knew immediately I had to order some. I got 3 shades, so let me open them with y'all. This is in the shade Face Card, which is like a really nice, looks like a nude peach or a nude shade. I really wanted something like neutral just because I have so many like colorful blushes. Oh, that is so pretty. That is literally like such a true nude. I'm so excited to try that. I'm going to swatch this one. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. And it is a universal shade or universal product. So you can use it on your lips. You can use it on your cheeks, wherever you like. I don't know if this will show up on my skin, but that will definitely show up on my lips. So even if I don't use it on my cheeks, I will use it on my lips. Another shade that I got is called 24/7. So they sent out an email and they let us choose whatever shades we wanted, and I mainly ordered neutral shades, which you're probably like, that's so boring. But again, I don't have a lot of shades this color, so I wanted to keep it neutral. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. That is the shade 24/7. It's like a mauve rose. Yeah, mauve rose. That's really pretty. They're so creamy and they glide on really nicely. I'm so excited to try these. I got one last shade. This is called Toxic, and I had to get at least one bright one, and this is supposed to be like a red, like a orange red, and it's so pretty. Actually, this is, yeah, it's definitely like a fiery orange red. So pretty. Perfect for the spring. I had to get at least one non-neutral shade. So this is something that I got in PR and I just had to share with you guys. Hard Candy came out with a new collection with Girl Scouts. So this is the second time they've come out with this collection. This is called the Hard Candy X Girl Scouts Limited Edition Collection. It is only available at Walmart. It says, serve up sweet looks. It's a batch made in heaven. Indulge in this limited edition collection with pigmented shadows, super hydrating lip oils, lip scrubs, face serums, and must-have beauty accessories, all for under $15. So let's go through this and let's see what is in this collection. First of all, look at how cute this is. This is a makeup bag that I got in PR. I have an extra one. I don't know why I get 2 packages from Hard Candy. I have an extra one, and if you stay tuned, I may or may not do a giveaway at the end. So just, you know, stay here. So this is the Nourishing. In the collection, they sent over this Nourishing Body Oil. This feels really heavy. Oh my gosh. I love all these products. How cute is this? That is the Girl Scouts Body Oil. Oh, it's coconut caramel, warm and rich, nourishing body oil. Let's see. I love this stuff for like the summer because it just makes your skin look so glowy. Ooh, that's nice. That smells so good. So that is a little oil. It just makes your skin look glowy, I guess. And then they also sent over this Cookie Rally plushie headband, which is so cute. It has the little cookies at the front. Obviously, this is just a headband that you can use to like wash off your makeup or when you're doing your makeup. I like to use these when I'm going to take off my makeup. How cute is this? Look at that. It's a cute little headband. Oh my gosh, I'm definitely going to use this tonight. And then they sent over 3 of their Sweet Treat lip oils. This is the shades. These are the shades that they sent over. And I have tried Hard Candy lip oils and they are amazing. So I'm excited to try that. And then they sent over their Coconut Caramel Shadow Palette. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Here is the palette. Look at how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. Very warm, bronzy shades. I wish they would have added like a green in there or something. I mean, I see the browns, I see the purples, but could we have gotten like a green? I think that would have been so pretty and it would complement the look. I mean, this one's kind of green, but I'm talking about a green like this. Anyways, so there's that, and then the Milk and Cookies Primer Hydrating Milky Serum. Ooh, that sounds amazing. And the last one is this little lip scrub, which is also really, really cute. It smells minty, see, and that's what I don't like. Mint and chocolate, ugh, not for me. Let me quickly go through what I ordered from Sephora and Ulta. I didn't order too much because I was going through their website and I didn't really see a lot of products that really stood out to me. So I mainly grabbed things that I wanted to test out myself and try. I did need some lashes, so I got 2 of my favorite. These are the Allure Volume and Curl. If you love that like lash extensions look, this is literally perfection because it does look like you have lash extensions on. They're very dramatic, but they're super, super cute. And I get so many compliments anytime that I wear these. So like today, I was going to wear these, but I was like, I don't really feel like it. So I got those. And then I got the Kiss Lash Couture Masterpiece in the Style Cruise. These are super pretty. It's probably some of my favorite lashes from Kiss. They're just, I don't know, they're so cute and they complement my eyes so well. Revolution Beauty came out with new blushes, and look at these. They remind me so much of the Patrick Ta blushes. So we have here the cream, the powder, and then the highlight. And these can also be very similar or duped to the One Size blushes. This one is called Aura Points Rose, which is definitely more rosy. And then we have this beautiful peach one. This one's called Authentic Peach, and it's really, really pretty. Then we have this beautiful My Cherry Truth blush, which is a deep, deep berry. Oh my gosh, that is so stunning. And then the last one is Hot Pink Flag, which is a hot pink blush, which is also really pretty. So they sent these over and I haven't tried them. I can't wait to try them with you guys. I have been eyeing this brush for the longest time. Sometimes it would sell out and then sometimes I would just forget to buy it. But this is a brush from Refi. I really like this bristles. I don't know, it's really nice to just apply not so much pigment, or it doesn't pick up as much product, so it's not going to deposit a lot of pigments. This is meant to use as a bronzer or blush, and then this one for contour, but you can really use it as you please. But yeah, I don't know, I just impulse buy, really. That's what it is. It's an impulse buy. And then I got the new, oh my gosh, I just dropped it. As I was saying, I picked up the new Estee Lauder concealer. This is the Double Wear Stay in Place concealer in the shade 3W. I have been testing it out and I really like it. It just dries really quick, so it's not a concealer that you can like let it sit on your skin and then go back and blend it. Honey, you need to blend it right away, but once it stays on your skin, like it doesn't go anywhere. Hence the name Stay in Place. So really like that so far. I will obviously test it out with you guys. Also, I picked up this cute little palette from LA Girl. It's called On Cloud 9 Bouncy Eyeshadow. This is in Breezy Nude. These are so cute. I don't think they're like super, super new, but I think they are newer and I haven't tried them. So I picked that up, and then I picked up a few new blushes. This one is from Tower 28. It is the Blur and Set Matte Powder Blush in the shade Feliz Fresca. It's a really pretty like bright bubblegum pink, and I really just wanted to try the what, ¿cómo se dice? Not the texture. Oh my gosh, that is so pigmented. I really wanted to try the formula of the blush. Tower 28 is really good and it's decently priced. And then I also picked up a blush from the brand Say. Oh my gosh, I cannot speak today, y'all. I have not been sleeping good because Lincoln has been sick. He's had this horrible cough and it's kept us up all night. It's driving me crazy. But anyways, so these are the new blushes from Say. This is Super Suede. And that is the color. Oh my gosh, that is literally perfection. It is the prettiest color ever. Cannot wait to try this. I also picked up this Super Boost gloss from Makeup Forever in the shade Pure. Makeup Forever is a brand that I don't ever or hardly ever buy anything from. But this looked really pretty. They were sold out of a specific shade that I wanted. So hopefully this lives up to the hype. I don't know. We'll see. But that's actually a really pretty color for a gloss. It's like a nude brown. So we will have to see how we like that. And then I also have had this in my makeup collection for a while. I just haven't tried it. The One Size B12 Base Thinner with Vitamin Pearl Serum. So this is supposed to be a mixer. You can use it with foundations, concealer, serums, whatever, but you mix it on to your foundation and it makes it thinner. It makes it a little bit more luminous. So if you have a foundation that's super matte, super thick, you want it to be a little more runny, a little more glowy, you would use this about a pump, mix it with your foundation, and bam. New foundation, who's this? And then also something that I just wanted to mention because it is new and Milk Makeup is now available at Ulta is their new Hydro Grip Gel Tint. This is in the shade 6. I use the shade 6 and 7. I will be showcasing this very soon because I don't think I have new foundations to share with you guys, so I will be testing this out. I just realized I have so many new blushes to test out, so I will definitely have to like break them apart and test them out as we go. But that is everything, you guys. Just wanted to share some new makeup. I will obviously film a video doing a first impression on everything. Let me know what you guys are picking up. Do you guys want anything from Sephora or Ulta or maybe the Girl Scout collection? Let me know. Also, if you made it to the very end of today's video, thank you so much. Keep an eye out because in the description box, I will have information on how to enter for a giveaway. I will have a giveaway. And like I said, I have an extra Girl Scout collection, like literally the entire collection with the bag. So I will be giving that away to one of you. Just read the description and follow the rules. Anyways, that is it for me, you guys. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. Stay safe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.